Today we're celebrating the first cohort of SERCO students who've come to the university. This programme now is starting to roll out not only for SERCO but for our own university students, with 21 from a variety of different organisations, NHS Trust, council, and we're having businesses as well joining the programme. The apprenticeship programme is very much not just the learning but also the practicing of that knowledge and the using of those skills in the workplace.
So at the moment I'm operations manager and I'm quite used to the environment that I work in, but I'm looking to move up to a contract manager eventually, and that's my aspiration, my main aspiration. And I think the CMDA offers experience in a wider sense than just operations, modules such as finance and global business environment, one of the modules we just recently studied. It's opened up my exposure to how SERCO operates globally and outside of just the defence division as well. And on the cohort meeting of the managers gives me insight into other divisions and business units and how they operate. I've learned through every module, I've learned something along the way that's definitely enhanced my capabilities as a manager. And having 2 children and a wife and a few interests outside of work, it's quite difficult to juggle. But my ambition and drive's there, so it's manageable.
SERCO received it incredibly well and could see the benefit of taking middle managers and junior managers and developing their leadership and management skills to such a degree that they could then progress within the business and expand on their knowledge, but not just their knowledge, also their skills and behaviours.
SERCO's got an aspiration of being the best managed business in our sector. In order to have the best managed business, we need the best people. We have a philosophy of growing our own and recruiting the best. We saw the opportunity of the apprenticeship levy and the development of the CMDA of a way of helping us achieve that objective. We are absolutely delighted with the numbers of people who are following the programme, and we're really pleased with the quality of the provision that they are receiving.